Kublai jumani fibro kijimtip nam ta ki khubor lait kam te kidon kumba nrutli ki kam ki balat ki bagan tip hane kapor te artli ki de po negrims contractual hi kineru but southly ki de po neri tak don southly te ngan tip swag ni ki de po negrims Department of Neurology negrims shalong kineru de work an interview hi the name of post research assistant qualification nimlong graduate in science relevant subject from a recognized university with 3 years work experience from recognized institution or master degree in relevant subject. Kini di research assistant hablai research te kidon kam a graduate lane relevant subject from recognized university with 3 years experience kam license mane master degree in the relevant subject. Te kapi hngni kadai life ho hajar. Mo shimnai life ho hajar age limit adu life sans name kane annual renewal basis chisnem kin renew yapi. Te pilong ne ong ba graduate in science mer relevant subject kadai jongka neurology mar kadai department of neurology. Te kane ko pada jong data entry operator qualification di pass class 12 from a recognized board te la pila pass class 12 di bendor computer knowledge pin pass at least computer diploma lane 6 month lane 2 months course di bendor kita. A speed test of not less than 15,000 key expression per hour through speed test on computer. Kinsa penle kata speed test on computer. Te shua banle kita pada kinsa pak submit shua documents yung pi ling ba ka email. Te kapin yung kani kadai khat nyo hajar sibanai kanero age up to 35 years annual renewable basis kin renew wage sinam. Te sekan mau piaban submit shua documents yung pi shua ba pin post interview kinsa contact ya pi te ke benamle how to apply. Interest and eligible candidate may email their detailed CV, phap email liga CV ki jong phi, and relevant document to hbsr.ner23@gmail.com. Te shua ba phin post interview phap submit shua ya documents jong phi shna in PDF file submit lo de baro documents jong phi shna PDF ngathai phinang hi anadu ki certificate ki qualification ke baro submit ang tu pen ai lang haju compile lang haju sa submit hapo kane ke email hbsr.ner23@gmail.com latest by 14 October. Te hashwa last date kene kasa October phap send shwa ikine hadu shwa poi ke kasa October. Te phap send lamba ke email hakane ka email ke ai hangne. Please mention your phone number and email ID in the application form. Hakata application form nda phila panda phila sami ki document te phila shondur phila scan yaki na send phap thoru yo number jong phi email number jong phi mobile number baro jinon kam bakata application form. No application beyond the 14 will be entertained. Ndala ada ka khatsaw sheneng kinum accept you kita ka application ba pisan. Ke kongna selection method the shortlisted candidate will be contacted for an offline interview. Baik phila send lengba ka email te itu ki balong qualify kinsa shu contact baik direct tang yaki baik in the Department of Neurology in Pawana Pihaka Department of Neurology Negrims Shillong to be held on the 18 October. Te kata interview pada kin penlong kat praterik jong manai Oktober 2023. Desa kan mau ban send shua link bak email. Shna kata kur CV ke jong pi pen bej bahai dokumen jong pi bat sekan mau ke interview ru phabra igitahi rengkat lang bat ka original pada kenam hamsuk. The above posts are purely contractual and can be terminated at any point. Hakano kono por la bisa terminate namba latho angte ba shisnem can renew if. However, an annual appointment and renewal basis on the performance of the candidate. Okay. The selected candidate may need to go medical checkup. Gitu ba select kila ban like medical checkup kata kamda yuthan. The selected candidate may need to travel beyond the state. Ki ha ban travel shabar state rule ada don't come and other academic purposes. The no accommodation ketumlan cover the shortlist candidate will bring the CV to passport size. Itu mesha shortlisted la call pi piabra artli ki passport size kata ka CV ke jong pi original and self attested certificate experience certificate and other necessary document for the personal interview to be held. Te ki ba poi ke personal interview sekan mau ban ra lo kita ki document bi baro te phila ban pandap lupa kata ka CV ke jong pi ya kita ki document jong pi application form baro ya pandap lupa te send nang ba ke email te ka tuhi piabra Badi original bad I belada batas pihak hapor lada pisha kod nam taka interview ko jong pi. Kanau last date kan de khat saw interview kan de khat pratrik jong banai Oktober. Jis kanau ki bakwa ban apply kan ni sale ya kabaran kam try pinang hi ban send ya kata ka email. Southly bedek nek de kam hikai po neri nero di contractual te ki don kuma southly ka don lang bat kam hikai bat librarian. Dengan play kum kan advertisement Northeast Regional Institute propose to conduct a work interview for the appointment of the following posts on contractual basis. Assistant Professor in Mathematics Education, kani dan takaway sa option hajar katulog. Assistant Professor in Physical Science Education, kani kaway sa option hajar katulog. Assistant Professor in Physical Education, kani kaway sa option hajar katulog. Tikini beda ni gini lightly kandai khat tarik ka work interview kandai khat tarik kan mau. Tenam ta ka basaw ka assistant librarian kani karon takaway post sa option hajar. Kani beda kandai khat tarik ka work interview, khat tarik and penbiang documents kinra ni ka basaw lech kani. The qualification to now, number 1, number 2, assistant professor mathematics but physical science education, come. 1, postgraduate degree with minimum 55% marks or equivalent. B.Ed degree with minimum 55%, postgraduate of 55, B.Ed or minimum 55. Besides fulfilling the above qualification, the candidate must have cleared the national eligibility test net. Even clear kita Matrai kita apply kelas 2 ke ikuran kam te pila banyo ro yakane napo ka official website jong ka Neri Shillong mo Neri Umiam Shillong pila banyo nangta sapuli bahai ikuran kam baro ke bede berkane te ke bede ki MR ro pila ban apply PhD ro lama apply te nam ta ka number 3 assistant professor in physical education kane ro kaju postgraduate with 55%. Beside that clear the national eligibility test net by UGC terter kita sapuli bahai ki bakwa ban apply ikuran qualification nam ta kane number 4, assistant librarian. Tenamta assistant librarian ro a master degree in library science, information science, or documentation science, or an equivalent professional degree with at least 55%. With 55%. A consistently good academic record with knowledge of computerization of a library. Beside that, they must have cleared the national eligibility test net conducted by the UGC in past second net. Tiba kuat apply. Te kidon bun ki qualification hangi te anfule tangkat tuhi ngatrai bila stu kitu ki badon bakwa ban apply pila ban check kane napo ka official website jong ka Neri Umiam ngasabu kali ngapo description ru ban check te pin check sesara igi documents jong pi makane ka de work interview te skanau ka tarik ka de khat ar bad khat lai tarik jong ka assistant librarian te tangi ni jim tip kuliswan